Hey everybody, it's Nazara with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I wanted to go ahead and do my August works in progress and finished objects video. I feel like I've been pretty busy with everything. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. And I do mostly crochet or yarn related things. I have a giveaway every month. Make sure to check that out. You have a couple more days till that's over. Or if you're watching this later, I have a giveaway going on. So other than that, if you're not new to my channel, then welcome back, and I hope you guys like what I have to show you. I'm a little bit out of breath. I am almost 37 weeks pregnant, so just bear with me with the out of breath thing, as well as every now and again I get a Braxton Hicks contraction and I gotta compose myself for a minute. So we'll give you more of an update when I do the September giveaway. As far as the baby's concerned, that's usually when I do it. So let's see. First off, I've been working on these rattles. I've shown you a lion, a bunny. What was the other one, you guys? Ow. So I've shown you 3 other rattles, but I went ahead and worked on a little owl. Bumblebee, he turned out a little bit bigger than I really expected him to. And then I was trying to figure out a design for a sunflower chewy kind of teething rattle. The yarns don't match. One is a paint box and one is the hobby yarn that I just got. I was just trying to figure out a design first off to see what I wanted to do. I'm not sure if I'm going to stick to that or not. I got the bee and the owl pattern out of the Too Cute Crochet Kit booklet because they make them pretty small if you're looking for a pattern like that. And I just used that yarn that I got. That was the 8/4, so it turned out even smaller, at least for the owl. So the bee was done with regular 4-weight cotton yarn, and he turned out pretty big, so I might redo him with the smaller yarn and go from there. So I went from those amigurumis into, I know Halloween's coming up and Thanksgiving's coming up, but I thought about things that I wanted to make for my Etsy shop. And I was like, you know, I've always wanted to put crochet or kid-friendly nativity scenes in there. So I found this pattern by Jennifer Percival. So it has all of these little guys for a full nativity scene, which I thought was super cute. So I started working on them. So I got Joseph done. My son says he looks like my husband because of the beard. So, and then I'll link all these patterns and stuff in the description below. And then I got Mary finished with her pretty hair. What do you need, boy? Stay over there. Failure. Failure?
Yeah.
Why?
Oh, because this doesn't work.
Okay, we'll figure out what happened. And
I think I put a sand tool.
okay. We'll go figure it out, and then we'll see if it works next time, okay? And then I got to baby Jesus. I haven't started working on his manger yet, but when I got done with him, my hands were starting to kind of hurt from the small yarn, working with such small yarn, that I went ahead and took a break from that. I wanted something a little more mindless, I guess you could say, which this isn't completely mindless. I will give you that. It is not at all, but I got this pattern a couple of years ago when it was free. Now I tried to look it up now, and she has it still, but it's on Etsy and you have to pay for it. But I got this one when it was free. So it's the Lost Soul Skull Shaw. That's a mouthful. By Marietta Roy. So I don't know if you can see that picture, but it's the one with the little like skeleton faces in it. So, and I used the Yarn Bee Dazzling in the colorway Sand Dollar. Save that so I could show you guys on this. So it is sparkly, and I did this. I used all the skeins I had. I think there were 5 or 6, and did this shawl for Halloween. I just thought it was pretty neat, and I like this colorway because it was dusty and it was dark but not all black, you know. And of course, who doesn't need some sparkle in their life? So I finished that, just working on it. After you get through a few of the rows, you really start to pick up and just keep going and going and going. Sorry. If you saw my last video, I dropped that. Hold on, you guys. Oh boy. My last video, you would have seen my hat that I made, my sun hat. So that's another finished object that I have. And I like it. It works for me. Definitely. I still have a few skeins of that yarn, so I'm going to have to figure something out with those. Somebody said a nice little summer top, and with how light this is, that might work out nicely, so I might try that next. I'm not good at doing wearables because I have to do sleeves, or I do a shirt that's see-through that I have to wear another shirt under, and in Georgia you don't want to wear 3 or 4 layers. So I'm not sure yet. We'll figure it out. I went ahead and worked on another basket. This is in the Yarn Bee Sweet Shades Pink and Orange Multi. So, made this basket because I have a bunch of other girls that are pregnant, and I use the baskets for babies, so I figured I would make one so that I can put her baby shower gifts in for her little girl. The other 2 do not know what they're having yet, so I can't. I'll make something neutral maybe, or I'll have to look and see what I have. So yep, I got a few thick bulky yarns to make some more baskets, but I thought it turned out pretty cute. I think she said she's doing a llama theme, and I think that'll work for a llama theme. I plan on making her either a rattle or just a nice little stuffy for the of a llama for the baby, along with of course diapers, wipes, you know, the usual stuff that you get. Let's see what else. I'm working on a whale rug right now by Ira Rot. I'll put a picture up here. I'm not carrying that big old thing in here. It's attached to 3 other skeins, 3 skeins of yarn, stuff like that, so I'm not carrying it in here, but I have pictures. I'm working on one of those right now. It's got to go out, I think, in a week, which I should be done with it by then. And then, yeah, and then this is the only other project that I'm still working on. My only other works in progress. So I told you guys that I was using this hooked ribbon extra large yarn to make a Moses basket. So I've got the base done. I need to get, I'll have to get cushion or a base to go under it. I looked at wood bases, but they want a lot of money for a wood base, and I was thinking maybe even just a leather or just even a firm foam would work. It's not a basket to be like moving the baby around in or anything. It's just a basket for when he's sitting next to me or sleeping, he's sleeping in it, and I don't have to move a whole bassinet. But yeah, I'm on the sides now, and it's working up pretty quickly, so I'm glad about that. That should be done hopefully before the baby's here. If not, that's okay. It's big enough that he'll grow into it. What else? Sorry, you guys, I'm so tired. But I think that's all I'm working on right now. I need to get the, oh, I did finish another bicycle basket. It was white. And then I thought about making some keychains to go along with the bike baskets, or some, so it's not in here. So pretend this is one of the bike baskets. It's about the size. It's just more oblong than circular. Like this one's circular. But I thought about doing kind of a tether, like a braided or crocheted tether, where they could button it up front wherever they wanted, because you know, crochet, you can button here, button down here, all that stuff, so that they could close it a little better, because when it's just hanging on, it has two latches. When it's just hanging on, and if they have something super heavy like a water bottle, I'm afraid it might fall out. So either that, or I can start making bases for those two. That'll help out, I think. But some improvements on some of the products I already have. I was surprised. I like the baskets for strollers. They're not just for bicycles. The strollers work really well. I carry things like tablets, my phone. I use water bottles that I can lay down into it instead if it doesn't fit in the actual cup holder of my stroller. Because they make the cup holders, they're tiny, they're for little kid cups, but then you get a little kid cup that's got that fat bottom on it, and it won't fit in there either, so you got to do something. Other than that, yeah, that is all I'm working on right now. I'm trying to just take it pretty much one project at a time, work on it slowly, and just keep my hands and mind busy until this baby comes. So if you guys like this video, then give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this. Make sure to sign up for that giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner next week, as well as bringing out another giveaway for September. I don't know if I'm going to... My birthday is in September, and normally I do a birthday giveaway week. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it this year, because the baby's supposed to be born around that time, and it might just be too much for me, but we'll see. So, and my son is about to turn 6 next week, so be looking out for a surprise giveaway. Definitely hit that notification bell so you'll find out when my videos are put out. So it's good to see you guys, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.